Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of dunks, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to How It Feels by Baby and Dirk. Amazing song, probably my favorite song off of the album so far. Go listen to it, and yeah, let's take a look at these shoes. Alright, so obviously today we're going to be taking a look at the Dunk High Fragments. I was able to get these via exclusive access on the sneakers app. I got a size 9.5. Retail was $150. I paid around $162, I think, after tax and shipping. And these actually came out yesterday, at least at the time of me recording this. So I did get them a little bit early. And yeah, let's just take these out. Comes in a black box, and you can see the paper actually says Nike on it. Actually, that's a lie. You can't really see it too well, but trust me, it says Nike on it. And here we got the shoes. All right, so first things first, let's talk about quality on this shoe, because to be honest with you, it's not that great. This is the same quality that you've seen on pretty much every other dunk to release this year, which is that very like stiff plasticky leather, and it's just not great at all. Since this pair did cost a little bit more money, I expected at least a little bit higher quality on the leather, but they just, I don't know, it's very disappointing to receive this type of quality. There's also a bunch of flaws on this shoe. I've seen a lot of people have like a bunch of loose threads. You can see loose threads right there. A bunch of glue stains. You can see it right there. And also, my pair did look tried on. Like the bottoms were really dirty. I'm not sure why, but it definitely looks like somebody tried it on. More glue stains there. My leather right here is like all, like somebody tried it on again. Like it's kind of crazy how like fucked up this shoe is. But yeah, I did get this shoe for retail, so at the end of the day I can't complain too much. Okay, next let's talk about resale. Resale right now is around $250 to $270 depending on your size, and that isn't too bad for a Dunk High, especially with that Fragment logo in the back. I do think that prices are gonna come down a little bit, and you should see everything settle at around maybe like $230, $240, around that price range. Okay, next let's talk about sizing. For me, I go up half a size. That's what I always do with my dunks, unless it's like a dunk low or something. But with my dunk highs, I always go up half a size. If you like a nice snug fit, you should be fine going true to size. Oh, and in case you guys are wondering, usually dunk highs do come with like extra laces and stuff, but this pair actually didn't come with anything else. It's just black laces, and you do see the Fragment logo on the insole right there. You can kind of see it. There we go. And also the quality on the inside of the shoe is very soft. It's better quality than a couple other dunks, but it's nothing too crazy. You also have like some writing right here. The Jordan 3s did have that. The Jordan 1s didn't, I don't believe. Personally, I don't mind it. I feel like it would be better without it. It's just kind of random, but it's not the biggest deal in the world. And then obviously you have the only thing that makes this shoe hyped up, that little Fragment logo right there. By the way, it's great that they actually made it white so it stands out. So yeah, man, enough talking. I'm gonna just spin the shoe around for you guys so you guys can get a nice look at them. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There's nothing too crazy about this shoe other than that little Fragment logo. If you guys are deciding to pay resale on this shoe, personally, I wouldn't. I just don't think it's really worth paying that extra $150, maybe $200 for it. If you got it for retail, that's amazing. I feel like that's a really good W, but just resale isn't worth it for me. I just can't justify this dunk with pretty bad quality, especially when it just comes to that little logo right there. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about these dunks. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let's take a look at this shoe on feet.